Hello, my dear friend. I am Ravindra Gupta. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel Creativity by CAD. Today, we will learn how to use Snap, Grid, and Object Snap command. So, please watch my video till the end and let's start with the Snap command. So, for the Snap command, I am going to type Snap, com- snap command, Snap, and once you type Snap command, then see there is a Snap Grid, polar tracking, object snap, 3D object snap, dynamic inputs. So one by one we will discuss on each. But basically, for the drawing purpose, there are two options is mainly is required. First one is snap and grid, and the second one is this object snap. So let's come to first OSnap setting. For OSnap setting, if you want to choose OSnap F9, or you can choose from dialog box, or you can choose from press on keyboard F9, and once you press F9, choose your 1 for the x spacing and y axis also 1. Once you choose this one, and also equal space in x and y, and once you keep it is okay, then you can see if you draw a line, then this line automatically comes and in 1 units each, so you don't have to draw unit of use one units for the each length. So it automatically comes and just as I told you, automatically will stop here. There is no see here you points again, here you can see this point, and again this comes, and this is like spacing. This spacing you can change by here. You can see here you can change by this x spacing and y spacing. So this is how you can change OSnipping or OSnap on through F9 press. Now next come to I'm going to off this command because we don't need to fix any space. So I'm going to use uh, off this command and come to next one is O7. If you want to click here, then you can see grid lines are coming here. You can see. So these are the grid line. So basically this is for the beginner who want to make drawing as per the length specifies if they required. So if you want to use grid, then you can choose here F7, and as well as you can give space here through X and Y axis as you have already given for the object snap on for F9. Same you have to put here also for the X space and Y space, and this is major line every. So once you okay, then you can see here each contain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 units here for the x axis as well as for the 5 units for the y axis, point 0.5 and point 0.5. So it will comes out 1 by 1, 1 to 1 unit. So again let's come to snapping command. So here you can see this is how we can use this F9 and F7 command, and we can change as per our requirement, drawing requirement. So come to object snap command. Here you can see now I'm going to off this also grid. We don't need more any for our purpose for the our end. So let's come to object snap command. Here I'm going to clear all one by one. Now you have to choose F3 first. Once you choose F3, then you can see there each of command one by one we can see. So let's come to endpoint. I'm choosing only endpoint, and I'm going to on this F3. Let's come to now I'm going to write and draw a line here. Now you can see if I choose here another line, so you can see two endpoints only you can see here. There is no any midpointers because of I have already used only mid endpoint. So you can see here grid line, green square. So this is notation of endpoints. In case of another. So if you choose apart from endpoint, if you want to use also midpoint, then next time you can see on same line here is a in a triangle. So you can use when you draw a line through end, as well as you can see here this is the midpoint as I told you. So this time I have already choose endpoint as well as midpoint. So midpoint you can draw any line. So now then this is endpoint and this is midpoint. Let's come to another option. Now I am going to choose center. So once you choose the center, then I am going to draw a circle. Here you can see if I want to draw a line from the circle of the center of the circle. So you can see here green shows. So this green circle shows the center of the object. So let's come to another. This already we have done. Then next come coordinate. I'm going to keep okay. So once I hope you all aware about the coordinates. If I draw a line through any coordinate, then four coordinates are there. So you can see there are four coordinates you can see easily. So this is the green shows that these are the coordinates. So if you want to draw a line through coordinate in circle, so this will divide it into four quadrant of this in this circle. So you can see this is quadrant. Now next come, if you want to choose intersection point, then same I am going to click here again. So you can see intersection. Now next time if I draw a line, then here you can see any. If I am going to draw a line through this, then you can see intersection. See, this green cross shows the intersection. Here you can see written here intersection. For the midpoint you can see here this is called midpoint. I hope you can see here, you can see midpoint, and here you can see this is intersection point. Here you can see midpoint, endpoint, and this is called midpoint. This is midpoint. So and this is the center of circle also. This is quadrant. You can see four quadrant. This you can see once you delete this all, then because overlap. So I am going to show you this is quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here you can see, as well as here you can see quadrant, and here you can see quadrant. So this also quadrant. Okay, so let's come to another. Now here we already seen. Now this is called extension. If you want to use this extension, then if you want to draw any line through already this is one existing line, and I am going to extend this. So you can see there is a dotted line. This is called extension line. If you want to extend this, so you can parallel, you can just click somewhere and you can extend this line up to whatever the line you want to extend. So next come to another. This is called intersection, and this is called perpendicular. So I am going to choose perpendicular. So let's come to see perpendicular. Now if I am going to draw here any, so let's see, I am going to draw a line. Now again I am going to draw any perpendicular. This is not showing because I have not chosen. So let's come to select first perpendicular, yes, okay, and then rest of I am going to remove. So you can see it easily. Perpendicular F3. Okay. Now let's draw another line. Here you can see this is the perpendicular. This is called perpendicular. This is all point perpendicular. You can draw from any point here perpendicular. So this is how we can make use this all the snapping so for any object or drawing. Again, I'm going to show you another thing. This is called tangent, so I'm using only tangent. Let's come to see how we can draw a tangent. I'm going to draw from this point to tangent on this circle. So here you can see this is the point uh, seeing tangent. So once if I click here, then this will join through this circle, these points, and draw a line here. So this is how we can make tangent. As well as let's see another option, nearest. Also you can see I'm going to remove all and just using this nearest. So let's see how we can. I'm going to see this is all the nearest point which is just near to the existing line, but is not exactly the point where you want to draw a line. So this is just nearest to that one, not exactly same, not exactly point on a line. This is nearest, we can say. Same you can find here in circle, all the points which are nearest, but not exactly on the circle. So come to next. This is called cross section again, intersection. So this is how we can use this command once you use as per your requirement. So now I am going to draw a circle and a rectangle and a line. Before that I am going to select all, so you can see easily each point. So now I am going to draw a tangent. So for the tangent I am going to choose this line and shift control and choose uh, shift and right click and choose tangent. So you can see here this is tangent. So this is how we can, you can see each of the point where I keep my mouse, and you can see the points which are shown here. Now I'm going to draw a line, so you can see here this is called endpoint. You can see quadrant, center, midpoint, near point, midpoint, cross section, intersection, we can say, and this is endpoint. So this is how you can get each of the line which are joining through. So everywhere you will find this is the all object snap. So whenever you prepare your drawing, you need to keep on this snapping tool. Object snapping tool, we can say. So this is all you need to keep on. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and write your comment on comment box. Thank you.